All right, so if you guys are looking for a great gaming sets, now this one right here, I'm gonna recommend. I don't normally recommend stuff, but today I am because this thing got me surprised. To be honest with you, I do get a bunch of these, and they come with all these objects and everything. But I'm gonna explain to this one why this one actually got my attention. So, first of all, you got 2.4 hertz. That means a wireless. That means you use the actual USB dongle that it comes with. All right, that's an option. A Type C right here on one end, and a Type A on the other end. So you got two options for a lot of devices, from iPads to droids. Pretty much a lot of things you can do with it. You can use the microphone. You can use the actual ear set, so you can listen to music. Now they do give you other options for older options. All right, this is in case you don't have a digital connection, converting it back. Instructions: USB cable, Type C to Type A. That's to charge. Now, I was a little shocked. All right, I'm gonna show you guys. So there is a Type C connection to charge the actual device. You hold the power button to actually enable the turn on, and it gives you. It depends. If you're on Bluetooth, you could set up Bluetooth. So you have three ways. Wire, you could wire these with the actual connection. They also give you this cable, which is a 3.5 to which is a USB Type C. So you have three connections. You could hardwire. So in case you run out of batteries, they got you back right here on this one. Bluetooth, and then of course the USB. So three ways of actually connecting. Now, one of the best things I like about this, I'm going to show you guys because I keep talking about it, but I'm going to show you. There's actually a microphone right here, hidden microphone right there. It's very discreet. So when you very discreet microphone, if you guys can see, and it only pops down. You can't move it left or right or anything, but it's perfect. It gets out of the way, so you're listening to music or anything. You don't want to look like a gamer. This is a lot better than before. I mean, it's just like they have a little hidden spot, little right here in the microphone. Goes like this. The cushion is very, very comfortable, especially a bald guy like me, and I'm gaming. This is gonna last me for quite a while. Now, this actually covered my entire ear. All right, it actually wrapped around my whole ear, and they do have left and also right in case you ever need. No, not that many RGB light, only the blue light telling you that it's on, and that's about it. So we're gonna go ahead and test this out with this computer so you guys can hear me on the actual microphone and see how well it works. So, all right, so right now I do have a Droid. We're gonna connect our USB Type C. All right, it could go either way, and I'm gonna turn it on. Power on. All right. Hold it for a couple seconds. It tells you it's 2.4 or Bluetooth. So right now we're going to do 2.4 and we're going to record from our phone here. And it's going to give us, it's going to tell us that it is, going to tell us that it is bass. All right. So testing 1, 2, 3, and it tells you right there recording audio on Bluetooth with the actual USB. So it's recording, and even if I hit it 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, so it's recording the audio on it. And like I said, no, there's no RGB lighting or anything like that. It's very discreet, really good. So we're actually recording to our phone. You guys can see that our phone is recording. I'm gonna put it right here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, I showed you a couple ways to connect, and this thing it has an audio connection, and this is the only Bluetooth I was telling you about that it lights up to RGB. But it's not. It's just an LED light telling you that it's on. But I showed you that you could connect on your phone. We're actually going to do a video on this computer so you guys can hear the quality of it, and let me know what you guys think. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we got the audio set up and testing it out. You could see it, you could hear it. Now, it's very comfortable. I'm not gonna lie to you. So whenever you're playing any kind of game that you want to play, audio's they're gonna be able to hear you exactly what you're hearing right now. And I haven't tuned up or set up anything. There is a plus and minus on it that you can control. All right. Now, the only fallback I found out on this microphone, and unfortunately, is that it has no mute button or anything that you can push down. I've been trying to find a way. The only way I found was doing this. Test the actual button in there. But overall, it's just like feels very comfortable. And I do have a large head, and I'm gonna show you a couple things too. Flexibility is really good. Microsoft microphone sound, it varies because it does have a, a distance between my mouth, so it depends on the player also. And the audio is off the hook. I mean, the audio you can lower it down or even add it up, and I like that it has plenty of ways. It has three different ways of actually communicating to any device: Bluetooth, wire, or like I said, 2.4 hertz, which is a USB. It has a Type C and a Type A. So overall, hope you guys enjoy this video.